Today's video, we want to teach you how to record educational video with Android phone without showing your face. So in today's video, this video will surely teach you the step by step. But before I continue this class, or we can call it a video instructions, I want you to subscribe to this channel for more of these videos in case I'm releasing it. So let's go to the real business. Now, in shooting a videos without showing your face, and the video will give you an output of teaching, we have some various of things that you need to put in place. Number one, you must have an Android phone. So the Android phone might contain an inbuilt screen recorder, or you download a screen recorder. There is a certified screen recorder that I'm using that is free, that you can use to record all what you are doing on the screens, which you can be able to upload. And the name of the screen recorder is AZ screen recorder. The AZ screen recorder will help you to record every actions that's being put in place in your screen. So after the screen recorder, recall, if you're able to see at my back now, there is a physical board. But the board we are going to use, because you are not appearing your face to the video, your face is not showing. So therefore, the board we are going to use, we call it Vinsa tablet. This is a Vinsa tablet. You're able to see it. It's a Vinsa tablet. So this is it. So this is how it looks like. In the Vinsa tablet, how do you connect the Vinsa tablet with the phone? So this is the cord of the Vinsa tablet. You connect it with it like this. So this is how it will look like. It will bring an OTP which you are going to connect together. So after you connect the Vinsa tablet with the phone, now there's something we call stylus pen and stylus stand. This is stylus pen and stylus stand. This is the stand, this is the pen. This pen will also serve as a mouse to the phone. When I'm trying to go to the video properly, you're able to see the better instructions of what I'm trying to say. So now, after you are going to be using this pen on this board like this, you'll be writing in this form, you'll be writing like this. So when you are writing, it will appear in the screen. And the moment it's appearing in the screen, you remember that you have been using the screen recorder. So the screen recorder will be recording all what is happening on the phone. So it depends, so there's some lectures whereby you are not writing anything, you are able to have prepared it in a PowerPoint. You just be pressing next, like a biology class, literature class, another class. But there's some classes whereby you still have to put pen. So that is why you have to need the Vinsa tablet. So after the Vinsa tablet and the stylus pen and stylus stand, there's one important thing again that you need to have. Mostly two apps. The first one is you need the app that represent board. We call it Notewise. Notewise is a board. Therefore, this board will serve as a digital board, a software board that you are going to be using. This pen will be appearing on the board as if you are in class. All this one is just to do in a way not to appear your face on the screen. And with this, you surely have an interactive class. Please remember, we are still going to show you the practical of what I'm explaining. So stay tuned. Don't just skip this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. You're able to gain properly. So now, the Notewise, it comprises of everything: the undo, the forward doing, the rectangle, alphabet, writings and a pen, and writings, and it contains all. So with this, you're able to complete the task of using the software board like the one you are using at a physical board. So after you are able to have done all, there's another thing we call the last steps. We call it cutter, video cutter. The video cutter is a video editor, which you are going to also see at Play Store. You're able to download it from the Play Store. So from the Play Store, you download it. Now, In the video cutter, you have so many series. Number one, in video cutter, there is a way you're able to cut, you're able to stream from the beginning to the end, remove some parts in the beginning, you remove some parts at the end. At the same time, the video cutter also have another property that we call resolution. It can resolute all your video in Facebook resolution, in YouTube resolution, in TikTok resolution. Many of these resolution video cutter, and it's a genuine app that which you can be able to use properly. But don't forget again, if you want to get the tablet, you can able to see my description button. You see the link in my description button to get the proper original of this pen, of this board with the stylus pen. So now stay tuned to watch the real practical how the pen and the note-wise is working, how the pen it will be working. So let's go to the class now and see the video properly now. We want to show the interface of the Notewise app, how it is being used and how to use it. So what I've been explaining since morning. So we have so many apps that we can use. We have handwriting. This is handwriting. This is AZ. But where we are going to, it is the Notewise. This is Notewise. We also have Aeon Note, but Notewise is what I've explained is better than the remaining one. So I've clicked it. These are the interface right now. So it has showed the Notewise. So how do you use the Notewise? This is the pen, Let me write something out. It said how to record a video without showing your face. So this is the pen. This is the pen. This is the razor. You use it to clean in case you want to clean everything. So I'm using the pen. You see that? So in case I'm supposed to use a colored, I can use either of the colored here. You will click here down, so you can change it from here to black. I've changed it to black. So we have our Integra 2x plus 5. So everything here is black. So this is the razor. You can clean it. It depends the way you want it. So this is the interface of the Notewise. You can teach, you can record, you can this page. For example, I have more than I want to. This is an image. You can bring. This is an image. You bring this image, for example. I want to explain this image. So the moment I finish this image, I will use this finger. We call it a finger. It will turn it up. Can you see? Can you see? It will moving up. So you might maybe you want to explain something like you can able to see it now. So these are the images. So for example, I want to clean everything. You can click like this. It will clean. So this is how. So now, so you used to write. So this is the interface of Notewise. So, and we have typing, we have symbol. This is in case you want to draw triangle, everything is there. This is rectangle, for example. I'm doing rectangle now. Can you be able to see? So in case you want to even fill this rectangle with color, you can fill it. You can fill it with anything like you can fill it with green. So, and also draw another. So it's also meant for drawing also. You can draw like this. So as you draw, let also fill it. You fill it with black. So now you're able to. So this is how to use Notewise. So we are going to end this video here. So if you see that what we have able to have explained since really has meaning, remember, you now edit it. After you edit and you upload, so if you're able to see that what you have able to have explained since morning has a meaningful meaning, please subscribe to this channel and try to share this video so many people can able to gain from it. So thanks for watching this video.